Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I want to show you today the throttle curves and the pitch curves for the Hobby M2 helicopter, so that you can actually use the level mode as a rescue mode. So the throttle curve for the normal flight mode, it is like that. It is 40% middle and then 50% in the left and right. Then the pitch curve, it starts from 60% and then it goes up. The idle up curves are linear, and the throttle curves for idle up, it's you can adjust them as you want. What I'm showing here is only for the level, for the normal mode, so that it actually works as a rescue mode. So let's give it a try and let's see how it actually works. You also need to make sure that the helicopter always initializes on the level place, so that the reference for the level mode is always straight. Because when you're switching back to the level mode, it will get back to the plane that it was initialized. So let's see how it goes. Let's do some tests. So I'm starting the helicopter. I'm always taking off and landing in the idle up mode, because the normal mode is now set up as a rescue mode. So now I'm flying in idle up 1. So let's say that I'm actually going inverted, and from here I'm panicking and I just want to rescue. Then I'm gonna switch to normal mode. So you see the helicopter gets into the level, and I can now get back to my flight. So I'm gonna go back to my idle 1. Let's try to do actually a hurricane, and let's say that I'm gonna panic here, and I'm switching to it's self-leveled very nicely from the hurricane. Let's go again to idle up 1, and let's do a funnel, and let's see how it actually does. So funneling and normal. Yeah, nice. But indeed, you always need to be aware that you still need to actually pitch forward, pitch up, and you need to control the helicopter as it recovered. So let's go again into idle up 1. Let's say I'm gonna do a loop and I'm panicking. Normal mode. Yeah. Now I need to bring it back, so I'm gonna switch back to idle up 1. Yeah, so if you're planning to use this rescue mode, you should always consider flying a bit up, because the self-level, it takes a bit of height to get back. So I'm gonna rescue again. Yeah, so you see, you're gonna lose some altitude if you're using this level mode. Go again. And now I'm gonna go a bit higher, and yeah, it levels nicely. And as I said, for landing, I'm always using the idle up mode and throttle hold. But the level mode works very nice as a rescue, so it's a very nice feature of this helicopter. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Bye.